If you're an online coach or consultant looking to run a low-ticket funnel or currently running a low-ticket funnel, I'm going to show you in this video how I turned a low-ticket funnel around from being unprofitable, no one buying, to massively profitable on the front end in just 24 hours with data, with a case study, and I'm going to show you the before and after and whatnot. So let's come down to the whiteboard here. I'm going to break this all down for you. So here is how the first funnel performed. Okay, we had 99 unique visitors. 10 people got to the checkout page, which is not good. That's a little under 10% of people got to add to cart. And then 20% of people actually bought. And that was at a $10 price point. Now, keep this in mind. When you're looking at a low ticket funnel, if 2 out of 99 convert, that's about a 2 to 3% conversion rate. You need to be around a 5 to 7% or higher to keep this thing predictably self-liquidating enough ad spend to where you're at like a 0.7 to a 0.9 ROAS, even higher, depending on upsells. Now, this funnel's profitable without any upsells because I'm going to tell you why this was profitable more on the back end, okay? So this was the before, and I'm going to show you the before page, this. So this was the before page, only $3 for the 3-day plant-based challenge. Lose weight, decrease bloating, increase energy, and more with a 3-day plant-based challenge, only $3. People are not going to pay to actually do work, and it's only $3, right? A challenge is something that you would sell for $97, $197 on a webinar. You would not sell it for $3, okay? So this whole angle here, showing a lot of before and afters, this angle did not work well. Just because it's $3 doesn't mean it's going to work well. You're also running it in a very saturated niche, which is the fitness space. It's hard to sell low-ticket products in the fitness space. V-Shred, one of the biggest companies, fermented that, and they've obviously been running the space for a while. Like, V-Shred is the best in the space, okay? I decided to take that, and I said, you know what? Let's give them something that gives them longevity where they can move at their own pace, which was this. And we used a video instead. We did not use an image. So we did only $7 for 12 weeks of plant-based meal plans. Lose weight, decrease bloating, increase energy, and more with 12 weeks of my high-protein plant-based meal plans, only $7. And if you don't see a difference in the next 30 days or feel your gut health improve, just email me. I'll send you your $7 back. What are some differences here? Price point, length of program, 12 weeks versus 3 days. Also, if you go back, this has an image, and the subheadline was all the way down here. So we decided to push things up to the top where we gave them all the information sooner. And we put a video. It's more lively, okay? It's just going to perform better. Videos help because they want to see who's behind the actual product. Do they actually look good? Or are they just selling me some bullshit? Like, people are in this trust recession right now. They need to know more about what they're getting themselves into. So let's look at the stats of the new funnel. And this is what the new funnel looked like. We had 1,413 visitors. 437 went to the cart page. That's 35% of people, okay? So here are the new funnel stats. We had 1,400 uniques. 437 of them hit the cart page. That is almost 3 times higher than the last one. 35% of those people opted in to buy, and then 137 orders. 137 orders divided by 1,413. So let's just do the math here because it doesn't do it that well on the go high level here. So we had 1,413 unique visitors, 137 orders. So we take 137, divide that by 1,413. That is a 9.7% conversion rate. And we're not even calculating the actual quantity. The quantity includes order bumps. So what does this mean? If we take 188 minus that from the 137, that was 51 people. 51 divided by 137 means that 37% of people took a more expensive order bump. The order bump before was $7. I made it $17, and it was doing it at a 50% conversion rate on a $7. I said, let's just hike up the price. Let's double it, even triple it, and you're going to make more money. 37%, if you take 17 times 0.37, that's $629 extra on every single order. So if we're getting $629 extra on every single order, but then we took 7 times 0.50, that's only 3.5. So I basically doubled the amount of money coming from the order bump. So here's the most important part. Look at the bottom here. Thank you page, book a call. 16 people booked a call. What are we able to do on that call? Sell high tickets. She's a one-on-one program for $3K. So now we could take these 16 people, 75% of them are going to show up, and guess how many closed? 3 people closed for $3K each. That's $9K on the back end. So she got $9K on the back end, and she got $1,280 on the front end. And this screenshot was sent to me on the 16th. It's the 22nd right now. The 6 more days of this running, there's probably another 4 to 5 book calls, another 1 to 2 closes. This is how a low ticket funnel should work. Not every low ticket funnel needs to have 18 upsells and downsells. Like a lot of mine do, because I'm in the online marketing space, not the health and fitness space. But like an offer like this, you want to get more book calls on the back end. So have less upsells, get a higher booking rate, and then be able to obviously get more money on the back end, because that's what you're really doing low ticket for. You're not just doing it just to self-liquidate ads, but you're doing it with the intent to sell them high ticket on the back end. So the other thing I wanted to show you was the ad stats. So here are the ad stats right now. $384 in spend, $18 a purchase, 21 purchases. And then another campaign right now, we have $163 in spend, $12 a purchase, and 13 purchases. So these two last 30 days are doing very, very well on low spend. $384 and $163 is what? $600? We've made $1,280 already. It's a 2x return on a low ticket funnel in a very saturated space. And that is why I'm very sought after to go through this and do strategy and help with low ticket funnels, because I really truly believe that I'm the king of low ticket. I've been that for a while. I have a bunch of clients who pay me for it. I'm just an animal. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys watching this, how I broke this whole offer down. If you have a low ticket funnel that you want me to break down, comment in the comment section below. I'd be happy to maybe use it for a YouTube video. Okay, so drop it in the comment section any questions you have about your low ticket funnel, upsells, downsells, take rates, AOVs, all that fun jazz. And I will see you in the next video.